I don't even need an intro. These curls are the intro, okay? These curls say it all. They say it all, honey. Welcome to therapy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be trying a new brand that has been on my to try list for a good year or so now. Finally got around to ordering and picking up some products from them, and I'm so excited to share this experience with you guys because y'all see these girls? Do y'all see these girls? So today's video is going to be a first impressions wash day, the whole styling process, and so it may be a little longer than usual, so I hope you guys are interested and keep watching to see how I achieved these bomb curls. I'm just so happy. So let's start off with the shampoo bar. I got the Detox Bar, which is one of the 3 options that they have for shampoo bars. I love shampoo bars because they allow you to really concentrate where you want to work the shampoo in, and you know, it doesn't run through your fingers and get lost in the water. So I am a big fan of shampoo bars. I really enjoyed this one. I've never used one with the little knobs. I guess that's what you would call them, the little knobs on them, so you can really rub it up against your scalp and like massage it. So yeah, all in all, I enjoyed the shampoo bar. My hair felt nice and clarified. It had a slight tingle on the scalp as well. This is my hair after rinsing out the shampoo. As you can see, it's nice and clean. I am going to proceed with the main essentials deep conditioner. The conditioner was okay. It has some really good ingredients, so that is one thing I do like about it. Some of those ingredients are distilled water, aloe vera juice, rose water, babassu oil, avocado oil, so a lot of really good ingredients in this conditioner. I did struggle working it in this first section, and I think that's because my hair wasn't as wet as it would be if I was doing this in the shower, but I was being lazy this day, so that is on me. I will show another clip where I wet my hair first and then I apply the deep conditioner, and I was definitely able to work it in a lot better. It did sit on my hair for a little bit initially, but I will also show a clip of it after it has sat on my hair for some time. So this is the side I just completed, and this is the side that we had started on. So as you can see, it started to penetrate my hair even before I put the shower cap on. So I'm going to put this on along with my conditioning cap and leave this in for about 30 minutes, and then I will come back and we will style. We're going to get into the products that I'm going to be using from main Krush Essentials for styling. So I have the Curls on the Rox Leave-in. This leave-in says that it tangles and adds moisture back to the hair. It's creamy, lightweight leave-in packed with moisture. Some good ingredients on there. Alright, and then we have the Kurltini Styler, which is supposed to define curls, hydrate, and it has a medium to firm hold. So we will see. I'm going to be doing some semi-mini twist. Nice easy style just to test out the products, and then I will take them out at the end of the week, the twist down at the end of the week, and show you guys my results. So let's get into it. Okay, so I am adding the curls on the rocks right now into my hair. And then I'm adding the Kurltini right on top. And as soon as I added the Kurltini, I fell in love. Like, the texture of this stuff is really different from anything I've used before. It has like a not quite sticky, because it didn't leave my hands feeling sticky, but it's like maybe like putty, like a putty type of texture. It's really interesting. But as soon as I put that on my hair, you guys can see, look at this twist as I twisted it. It is moisturized, okay? And that's one thing about these two products. My hair felt so moisturized, and you could look at it and see the moisture. Alright, so I have to take a break, but so far I have the back of my hair all twisted up using the main Krush products. My hair looks juicy, it feels juicy. It's not super, it's not weighing my hair down. They look so good. So yeah, I'm going to come back and show you guys what all my hair looks like once it's twisted. So these are my twists now that they are completed. The back is pretty much dry. I'm gonna have to come back a little bit later and do the front. But yeah. So this side, this is the side that I just finished. So you might be able to still see some of the product on there. It does sit on the hair for a little bit, and then it like soaks in. So there's no white cast or anything. My hair looks moisturized and it feels really soft. I also can feel the hold of the Kurltini, which I enjoy. I like using stylers or gels that, you know, really hold those curls in the hair in place. So yes, these are the smallest twists that I have done to date. So yeah, I will be back when it's time to take these bad boys out. Swear it never fails. It's always a cat hair. Always a cat hair in the bunch. Guys. Come on now. I ain't mad. I ain't not mad. I ain't mad at it. Not at all. The definition, the moisture, the shine. Honey. So these are my final results using the main Krush products. I have no con. I have no con. I'm the con. Like, why did I wait so long to try this brand? Like, I've heard no bad results, no bad reviews from any of the collections from the main Krush. So I'm the con. I'm who's wrong in this situation. And these results are so right. Oh, so right. Like, if you can keep my hair moisturized through the whole week being twisted. Oh, look at that. Look at that cuteness right there. Can y'all see that? Okay. If you can keep my hair moisturized like this throughout the week, I worked out 2 times this week. Hair was damp and sweat
infused and all of that, through all of that, and I still get bomb results like this, I am here for it. I am a happy customer. I am a happy camper. I'm glad I finally picked them up. It will not be my final order, so stay tuned for the other stuff that I might pick up from this brand later on. But yeah, this was a successful experience, trying smaller twists for the first time, trying new products for the first time. This went pretty well, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the products that I used, any of the techniques that I showed in the video or anything, how I achieved these results, leave them down below and I'll be sure to answer them for you. Also, please leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And yeah, me and my curls are gonna see you guys in the next video.